How to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can transfer our data from Google Play Store to Game Center. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, I want you to open up your Play Store and log in into the account that you want to transfer the data from. Just look up for the account, just tap on your profile here and select the account that you want to do. After that, just get back. After getting back, I want you to open this Play Games app. You may just find it. You can just find it on Play Store. Just download it. And here, after opening it, make sure to log in the same account in the same app as well. After that, just tap on this three dot and tap on Settings. And here you should be able to find the option called Privacy and Security, under which you'll find an option called Automatic Sign In with a toggle option. Just turn it on. Right now I can't show it because it may vary from region to region. It does vary from region to region for that setting to be applicable in every country. If that option is available to you, just go under Privacy and Security and toggle on the option of automatic sign-in. Just do that, and just like that, you can transfer data from Google Play Store to Game Center. So therefore, in this way, you can transfer it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.